I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California. We're just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California, with over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, grinders, shears, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more. Today we're going to show you a real staple in the industry, a Timesaver belt sander. This is a 37-inch, which means you'll have 37-inch here on the deck to go ahead and put something into. Here's your in-feed conveyor. What that's going to do is feed in the pieces for you. You're going to have a speed change right here. You'll notice it's slowing down and speeding up. Now, depending on the material and how fast you're running everything, you might change your in-feed. We'll let that run. And we'll go over to this other section. You'll notice there's a nice little scale here, and this is going to be for your height of the opening of the machine. Right here is your manual turn if you want, and then you're going to have power right here, which you'll see right now we are turning up. The whole head is going up. You're at 3 inches and coming on to the 4-inch mark. So basically that's how you're going to run the height for each sand that you're going to be doing through each different cycle. You can see it goes up and now we're coming back down. Now this particular machine has been all gone through by us here at Sterling. We've replaced bearings on the wheels. You'll take a look here at, we're going to have to use a flashlight to see it, but you'll see the rubber roll. The main rubber roll there is in excellent condition. Just rebuilt, I think, a few years ago. You can see the other auxiliary rolls are in very nice condition, no gouging or anything. We'll come to the back side here. Again, very clean rolls, almost in brand new condition. You're going to have, of course, your tracking and everything here. We'll go ahead and put this up. What that's going to do is raise the head up. You got your automatic stop here once the air hits it for the tracking, and that'll go ahead and turn it off if it does get too far. And one last thing before we run this, go ahead and show you the rear rolls. Again, in excellent condition. You can see all 3 rolls almost really in brand new condition. The rubber's still very supple. No gouging or anything on this machine at all. We'll go ahead and start the machine. You'll hear it's real nice just because we did change all the bearings out on the head there. And we got our reset. So now we have the head started. You can see usually around a Timesaver it's going to be a lot louder, and it was a little bit louder before we changed these bearings. So it's real quiet now here. All you're going to hear is the air every once in a while kicking back. So if you take a look in here again, you'll notice the head automatically moving right here with this air piston. And what that's doing is just going ahead and it's evening out where it's going and won't let it fall off, and it tracks exactly where that belt's going to be so that it doesn't fall off. You can see there's no problem with that. It's tracking really well. As well as the conveyor here is tracking just fine. There's no problems with it. Everything's been adjusted. And that's pretty much the basics of a Timesaver belt sander. We do carry new and used belt sanders, all different types of grinders for metal and wood. Give us a call if you have any interest, 626-444-0311. You can check out our website for current inventory as well as some great financing options at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you. Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com.